Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Anthony from Anthony's Tech 101 here, back again with another video. So today's video, I'm going to give you guys a quick unboxing and first impressions of the brand new iPhone 12 64GB in blue. And we also have some accessories on deck. Of course, these are must-have accessories if you get the iPhone 12, 12 Pro, or 12 Pro Max. So the first one we have here is the USB-C power adapter, which is a 20-watt adapter for 20 bucks. So unfortunately, the new iPhone 12 here does not include it. Even though you're paying over $800 for it, you're still not getting the power adapter. So let's unbox this real quick. So as you can see, there's a little pull tab here. So I'm just gonna take this out. There you go. And basically, that's it, really. It's just a charger, USB-C. So what really sucks is that they don't include it, which they should. All phones should include this. But there you go, there you have it. That's it for that. And of course we do get the Insignia iPhone 12 case right here, which actually has the blue surrounding it, which is really nice. Cannot wait to test this out. Look at that. So it's a clear case with the blue around it to match the phone. Absolutely beautiful. So that's the case. And of course, for the grand finale, the iPhone 12. So as you can see on the front, so it doesn't show you the back of the phone, but it shows you the front of the phone. So the new wallpapers that it comes with, and of course the blue border around it. The box this year is a bit thinner, of course, because they don't include the charger or the headphones, so that really sucks for what you're paying for. This is $830 retail, and you're not getting a charger or Apple headphones, which are like $20 each nowadays. On the back, on the side, sorry, it actually says iPhone in blue, which is really nice. And the Apple logo is also blue, which is really nice. Got that nice blue color. Absolutely beautiful. So, and on the back, it doesn't say the storage anymore, like it used to. So it's just a more simpler, cleaner look. But you still got the pull tab. So let's pull it. Ooh. Very nice. Once in a lifetime. That plastic. Alright, let's unbox it. Wow, so in the box, would you look at that? Absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, sorry about that. My camera just died. But as you can see, absolutely beautiful phone. Look at that. Beautiful. I am not gonna lie, this is an absolutely gorgeous color. That is beautiful. Take this out. So they don't have any type of screen protector on it this year. So it's just that. And so basically you just get the USB-C to Lightning cable. And you also get smaller paperwork this year. SIM injection tool comes standard. One Apple sticker. So they cheaped out. Apple's basically cheaping out. What are you gonna do? But anyway, here it is. Look at that shine. Beautiful. Tells you where everything is. Made out of aluminum. Space aluminum, sorry. Wow, that is such a beautiful color. That is gorgeous. Wow. Beautiful. That is such a beautiful phone. On the side here, it's your lightning port and your speakers. Much smaller speaker grill. On the side, you got your side button. And that's your, I believe this is your SIM injection tool, I believe. Oh no, this is your SIM injection tool right here. And right here is your volume and your mute switch. Wow, that is a nice phone. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm probably gonna get fingerprints, but look at that blue. That blue is gorgeous. Alright, so I'm gonna get everything set up here, and yeah, that's basically it.